If you're just starting your coding journey and wondering which programming language to learn first, you're not alone. With so many choices, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But don't worry. In 2025, some languages clearly stand out for beginners because of their simplicity, community support, and wide usage. In this video blog, we'll guide you through the top 5 programming languages that are ideal for beginners, no matter your background or career goals. We begin with Python, known for its clean, readable syntax and vast range of applications, from web development and automation to AI and data science. It's often the first language taught in schools and universities. Then there's JavaScript, the language of the web. If you're looking to build interactive websites or browser-based apps, JavaScript is essential. Third, we look at Java, a strong, object-oriented language used for building mobile apps, especially Android, enterprise software, and even back-end systems. It's a bit more complex but very powerful once you get the hang of it. Next up is C#, the go-to language for developing games in Unity, as well as Windows applications. It combines power and ease of use, making it a favorite for those entering game development or net environments. Finally, for complete beginners, especially kids or visual learners, Scratch offers a drag-and-drop way to learn programming logic without writing code, helping you grasp foundational concepts in a fun and visual way. By the end of this guide, you'll know not only which language fits your goals, but also where to start, what tools to use, and how each language opens different career doors. Whether you're building your first app, launching a website, or exploring the world of software development, this is your roadmap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for deeper insights and helpful links, check the blog post in the description.